All right, this last problem is probably one of my favorites. It's a little tricky, but it's a fun one because of the way that you pull it together at the end. Now, looking at this first, you might say to yourself, well, this is two transcendental functions, neither of which derives to 0. And we're not going to get the same kind of trick as we did with ln, where we can derive one and then magically cancel it out the next step. So what we need to do is we need to just have a little faith, follow me here, and do 2 steps of our integration by parts. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this I. Whatever this anti-derives to, it's going to be equal to I. So I'm going to do u equals e to the 2x, and dv equals sine x. Your choice really doesn't matter here. You can go with either one. It's just it's easier to derive this. So du equals 2e to the 2x, and v equals negative cosine x. So we get negative e to the 2x, I equals negative e to the 2x cosine x, plus, because of the negative sign, 2e to the 2x cosine x dx. Sorry, I forgot a dx up here. We're asking little things. James, you're falling asleep on the job. So then I equals negative e to the 2x cosine x plus, actually we don't need to write that just yet, my mistake. We need to do integration by parts on this. So pick u equal to 2e to the 2x, du equals 4e to the 2x, dx, cosine x equals our dv, so v equals sine x. All right, so I equals negative e to the 2x cosine x plus v u, so 2e to the 2x sine x minus integral of v du, so 4e to the 2x sine x dx. Now maybe this will be a little bit more apparent if I factor the 4 out of the integral. Now have a look at this. This is the wow moment. Check out what I is. I equals this thing. They're the same exact item. So that means I replaces the integral. Because we could keep doing this till we're blue in the face, but we don't have to. So I'm just going to copy everything down. Minus 4i. Now I'm going to add 4i to the other side. And I'm going to get 5i equals, let me reverse the order here, and factor e to the 2x times 2 sine x minus cosine x. So therefore I equals 1/5 e to the 2x times 2 sine x minus cosine x. Which is a really, really neat little problem. All right? So this is integration by parts, and what I'm going to ask that you do now is try your homework in the book. See how far you get. If you don't get that far, relax. The test is going to be postponed till Wednesday. Not test, quiz. And I'm going to reteach this on Monday, so you should be fine. But I didn't want you to just have to watch a movie today. I wanted you to watch 4 movies with me. Okay, so have a lovely weekend. I hope you enjoyed this, and it's better than just your regular old sub plan.